Splash, splash, hooray, let's go. Sunny summer day, say hello. Wiggle your wings, quack with delight. 5 little ducks are out in sight. Adventure time, come sing along. Summer fun is our happy song. 5 little ducks went out one day on a bright and sunny summer play. Over the hills and down to the lake, looking for fun with every step they take. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went skipping around, searching for seashells on the ground. They built a castle made of sand, laughing together, wing in wing, hand in hand. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks saw a butterfly floating and dancing in the sky. They twirled and splashed in a gentle stream. Summer adventures are a duckling dream. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks found berry trees, swaying softly in the summer breeze. They picked sweet berries, red and blue, sharing their treasures the whole day through. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went paddling slow, watching the golden sunset glow. Fireflies sparkled